Hi everyone, this is Shirley with karmaCRM and karmaSpeaker. Today we'll answer one of our frequently asked questions. If you need any additional clarification, please email us at support@karmaCRM.com and we will help you out. If you have any questions about other sections of Karma, please visit us at support.karmaCRM.com for our support guides, or if you prefer training videos, go to training.karmaCRM.com. Thanks for watching. Task templates are extremely handy if you have a consistent list of to-dos, as once you create the task template, you can simply apply it to your contact, company, or deal, and the to-dos will automatically be created with the dates that you give them, provided you give them a date. You do need to be an owner and admin on the account to create the template. However, all of your users will be able to use the templates once they're created. To create the templates, we're going to need to go to Settings, and then on the right-hand side, find Task. On the left side of the screen, we're going to click Task Template. So this part is going to be section specific, meaning that if you create a template in, say, the deal section, you will not be able to apply those tasks to the contacts. So make sure that you're in the right section to begin with, or else you'll have to duplicate all of your work. If you don't have any categories set up, you'll need to do this step first. So click Add a New Category and give it a name. We'll call ours Outreach. Click Create, and then refresh your page. You'll now see that the category Outreach has been created. You can create multiple categories if you need to separate them, like if you're doing outbound and inbound outreaches, you can have inbound task and outbound task separated by categories. Anyways, next thing you're going to do is click Add a New Template. This is going to create the shell of the task template. So you just need to give it a name. You can call it the same as your category if you would like. And then click Save. We're going to click Manage Steps to add the task. For the very first task, we have to just click Add a Task, and then in this box, we'll give it a name. You can select a category if you would like. It's not required, but you can do that. So we're going to actually give them a phone call, so we'll say Call. And then in the Assign To, by default, it's going to assign it to whoever applies the template. If there are multiple users on the account and you have one person doing phone calls and another person doing emails, then you would want to assign it to that particular person. For us, we want the current user to do it. If you'd like to add additional details like what they're going to call about, then you can click that, and it's going to allow you to type in a description. If you don't have anything to add, don't check it. If you're adding a due date, so if this is a list of tasks that need to be done on a specific time and day, then you're going to click Add a Due Date. And this is going to give a due date based on when the task template was applied. So if we want it to be done immediately, we're just going to say it's going to be due in 1 hour. And then click Create. You can have the option of hours or days. Dependent steps are a little bit different. Dependent steps are only selected if you need to complete a bunch of other tasks before you can do this particular task. If you want a reminder sent to you via text or email, you can select that and then click Create. And then you just rinse and repeat until you're done. To use the template, you'll need to go into part of the system that you created the template for. So we create ours for contacts, so we'll need to go into a contact. What you're going to do is you're going to look on the right-hand side of the screen below the big information box at the top. Find Apply a Template next to Task, and click the template you want to apply. If you have multiple templates, then you're going to see a bigger list. But click it, and now we have our task that we need to complete. If you're on a karmaSpeaker account, you can still apply the templates, but you're just going to look for activities instead of tasks. If you need to edit a template at all, we're going to go back into our Settings, Task Templates. We're going to click Manage Steps, and then we can edit something. So if we don't want to give this a due date at all, we can say Apply, or we can make the changes, click Update, and then that's going to automatically update that. Now, if we've already applied this to contacts, it's not going to change what we've already applied, but everything going forward will have that change.